me 32.5 seconds. I'm gonna show you exactly how I generated over $1 million selling really weird stuff like Galaxy Cat t-shirts, enamel pins, and yes, you guessed it, actual metal Bitcoins. It's actually ridiculously easy. All I do is create Shopify dropshipping stores and then target people on Facebook based on their interests and then sell them things based on those interests. We all know a crazy person who would love a Galaxy Cat t-shirt holding a taco and a piece of pizza. And we are actually having a completely free training today on exactly how I'm able to sell these weird products to people who are interested in them. So if you guys are interested in this completely free training where we go step by step by step exactly how you can replicate these own results for yourself with zero money up front, all you have to do is click up in the top right corner if you are on mobile and down in the bottom left-hand corner if you are on desktop. Now, if you're on the fence about this completely free training, I totally get it. But if you've watched this far, then I think you realize how much potential there is in e-commerce and that you can actually capture some of that potential too. So let's take a look at some of the success stories who've already come about from this training. Now, these people have been working at the training for a while, but as we can see here with Sarah, she's doing about $500 a day, just over $16,000 every single month with her drop shipping store. And if we look at Michelle, we can see that she's done over $1,200 in sales just today only, over $30,000 just for the month of October. And last but not least, if we look at Jacob, we see that he's absolutely killing it as well with his Shopify dropshipping business, doing just over $2,500 in sales just for today alone, over $75,000 for the month of September. And there's so many other success stories with Shopify and with dropshipping all over the place. And I don't expect you guys to take my word for it. Look up reviews on YouTube, look up reviews on Facebook of the Shopify Ninja Masterclass. It is completely changing the game. And guys, this stuff is absolutely blowing up right now. E-commerce has never been bigger and there's never been more of an opportunity to jump in than right now. So again, guys, if you're interested, make sure you click that link in the top right hand corner if you are on mobile and in the bottom left hand corner if you are on desktop to attend our absolutely free 100% step-by-step journey on exactly how you can jump into Shopify right now and start your dropshipping store today. And there's zero hard cost, guys. This is not like a conventional business. You don't have to buy any inventory up front. There are no fees associated with getting started with Shopify, which is why it's been such an attractive business model to so many people and why there's been so many huge success stories of people really making this work. And we're going to give you our exact blueprint of how we launch products, how we scale our stores to $100 per day, how we scale our stores to $200 per day, how we scale our stores to $1,000+ per day. And we're going to do it completely for free, guys. And we are giving away some very fun bonuses. We're going to give you the most profitable niches for 2018. We're going to talk about exactly how we use an up-and-coming software called ClickFunnels to absolutely explode our business. And we are going to talk about our print-on-demand business, how we add t-shirts to all of our Shopify stores and get a ton of complimentary sales, guys. So make sure you click that button and register right now. One last time, up in the top right corner for mobile, down in the bottom left-hand corner for desktop to attend our free training. And I can't wait to see you all there, guys.